From Future Activation. Today I will be talk about try catch, which is Java for beginner part 16. uh, how actually Java the exception handler work with try catch. Today I will be show it to you guys. So now let's go. I already created one classes which is on with main method for saving purpose time try catch. So now I will see how actually is it work. So I'm gonna create a some variable integer a equal 0, integer b equal 20. So now I'm going to create my try catch option try. Okay, try, and after that I said try. So inside the try, over here you're going to create another variable integer result equal, and I want to divide it because I want to see it actually try catch the case the exception or not. That's why I want to do the something the fail test case over here, how to fail the code and get the exception. So now I'm gonna say b divided by a. Okay, that's, and then I'm gonna say it is SOUS tab. Okay, I'm gonna say is system system out dot println. Okay, so I'm gonna do over here, I said, so I'm gonna say here double quotation res your result equal, and I'm gonna give the plus this variable. So if there is no option, there is no error, it will be print out here, otherwise will be catch. So I'm gonna say over here ch catch, there is a condition. So you're gonna say exception e, and now over here and you do this. So now I said over here, if not, so print out this whatever the exception. So what I'm gonna say over here, I'm gonna say system output result. So I'm gonna say over here divided not possible because, and I'm going to give here this e exception. So it will be clear for you guys now why I said over here integer a, which is a 0, integer b value is the 20. So I'm say try. So I create another variable over here integer result because I want to get the result. So I say equal b divided by a. I say try. If this is possible, is there is a if the divided possible, so print out this system output result plus result. This result is string value and this result is this variable. So what this result hold this divided value. So now if try this, if good, print out this, otherwise is failing the catch exception. Java have exception handler with try catch with exception e. So as I said, system output lint this not possible plus it. So this e will be give from exception, what exception Java handling, what kind of error we are getting. So So try catch, is it possible? You always can get this kind of result, and you know that where exactly your code is failing. So if anything problem here, you will be get this. So I will be come here to say, okay, my code is problem is happening here. So now if I run the test, what will be happen? So over here I said divided not possible because, so this is my language, because, and this is Java language, Java long arithmetic expression by 0, because you cannot divide it by 0. Okay, you cannot divide it by 0. For that reason it's a by 0. So that means we know the problem is here. So now we know how exception handling happening. So if I say over here, look at the guys, if I say over here 50, and over here I give 2, and if I run, see what happened. See, result equal 0, because 2 divided by 50 you can do it logically, you can do that, there is no result. But if I say over here 50, 10, and run it, and you will see result equal 5. It has to be logically correct. When is logically correct, so what will be happen? This result, this one will print out. So this is not going to go to the exception. But when is not logically correct, if I say over here 0, okay, and this is not correct, you cannot divide it by 0 anything. So now that's why when you run it, Java get exception. Okay, you see you have a problem here, you divided by 0. So I know how to handle the exception. Okay, so now this is the exception error you are getting, and you know what is the result now. So from this way you can know actually where exactly your error happening. Java can catch for your error. Okay, so that's it for today. Now you know how to go do try with different variable and try to understand what is happening here. See you for next video, and if you have, feel free to ask question. If you have any question, please